How to create an Angular PDF Viewer application. Start by creating a new Angular application, then installing the Document Solutions PDF Viewer Controls NPM package. In the app.component.html file, add a div with an ID to be the viewer container. Next, in the app.component.typescript file, import the Angular Viewer's control class. Next, initialize the Angular PDF Viewer control in the ng-after-view-init lifecycle method. This ensures the DOM element is available when the viewer is initialized. Developers can also invoke the addDefaultPanels method to include the default PDF Viewer sidebar panels and user functionality. Using the open method from the viewer's API, developers can load a specified PDF file into the viewer programmatically. In this case, we're opening a local file from the app's assets folder. Lastly, to avoid build issues, make two changes in the angular.json file to increase the bundle size limits and allow common JS dependencies. Now start the development server to test the Angular PDF Viewer control. Notice the Angular PDF Viewer loads showing the specified PDF, and the default panel options are available. Download a trial of Document Solutions for PDF and Viewer today at developer.meshias.com.